All right.
When I saw that propeller fly in the skies, I realized that's an idea right there. If I take that propeller, connect it to a Nerf gun, and shoot it, it would be able to travel great distances. All I have to do is just make sure the propeller is spinning fast. Once it's spinning fast, I press the trigger and boom, it's flying. So it sounds great. So let's build it. This is a 3D printed Nerf bullet. So if I load it in the gun, just like that, boom, and fire it, boom, it works just fine. But I saw potential in another project. So the Nerf fan bullet has been scrapped, and I have decided to make the world's fastest spinning. Anyway, continue watching the video to understand what it is. This is a drone propeller, and I have added weights to the corners of each blade. As you can see, weight, 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 right? So because it's a drone propeller, it uses air to move, right? But there's no engine connected to this propeller. So how is it going to move? Well, I'm going to use another propeller to spin this giant one, right? So basically this small propeller is going to generate the thrust needed to spin this bigger one. Now this bigger one is not connected to anything, so it's just going to spin around like an uncontrolled beast on the ground. And basically it's unlimited. You know the toys you can buy that spin on the ground? Those babies only spin for a couple of seconds and they finished. But mine can spin for minutes, even hours. All you have to do is just find a bigger power source. So let me take it for a test run and you see how powerful my version is. So the first step is I need to connect the battery right there and then connect the remote, right? Okay, everything is connected. As you can see, if we lift up the back, look at this. All right, it is ready. Okay, let's see. Yeah, everything's looking good. Okay, now all I have to do is take this and then I just have to get it spinning, right? Okay, so let me get set up. Boom. Dialed in. Okay, let's try again. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.